To download the Visual Studio compiler, you can click on this link in Week 1 Module menu. Then for compiler for the Windows, you can choose the Visual Studio. For Mac, you can use Apple Xcode IDE. And let's click for the Windows Visual Studio and you click Community version, which is free. And it will have a setup file to download. So you select the folder and download this file. Then you go to the folder where you download the setup file, double click, click yes, continue. And you check the .NET desktop development. Also check the development with a C++. You can also, if you have other application, you can also check Universal Windows Platform and a mobile development with C++. But those .NET desktop development and the desktop development with C++ are required. Now to change the location, because my C drive doesn't have much space left, so I choose D file and I choose this folder to download. You can still use the default C drive. Then let's click install. Now the installation is done and you can reboot your system. If you have a previous version like me, I have a 2019 version, you can click more and you can click uninstall. So let's open the Visual Studio. You can type here, search Visual Studio, and you will find the 2022 version and click open. The first thing it may ask you to sign in. I already signed in, so you can use our Troy email to sign in. Still 2019. Then you click create a new project. And they have multiple languages. Select C++ and click console application. Click next. Then you find a folder where you're going to save this project. So as a computer science major, you should create folders to keep track. I choose this one. And you can give a name. First C++ program. Then click create. So on the right side, this is the .cpp file in the project. You can only debug and run the CPP inside this project. So if you want to run a test file, for example, we attach like hands-on exercise, chapter number 2 in the solutions. I double click. The file will be launched in Visual Studio, but you cannot compile or run this file. So one way is you just select all the code, copy, and you can paste into the CPP inside this project. And you can click Build. Build is to compile. So only you pass the compilation, then you can run this file. Start without debugging. So in this program, we have two constants, pile and the radius. And inside the main function, we calculate the circumference equal to multiply pi multiply radius. And we also calculate the area, which is pi multiply the square of radius. Then we have to cout statement to output the circumference of the circle and the result, and the area of the circle and the result. So for the homework, you first make a screenshot of this black screen execution. Even there's errors. For example, if I miss a semicolon here and I compile and there's errors. So if your program cannot pass the compilation error, so you still need to make a screenshot of this error output. Okay. And if your program can compile and run, you need to attach this screenshot of the output. Also attach this .cpp file. So you can go to the folder where you saved this project, or you can just right click on top of this .cpp and you click open containing folder. So it will lead you to the folder where this .cpp is contained. So you also attach this .cpp to the canvas. So attach two things, .cpp file, and also attach the screenshot of the output.